kubwata agate bata bana batano igabana
orori
omusubati oli akanda michiro
mwana muri musa nakiare kien
mumwamu gacheti mumai
oitari mokane
tiga chigari no chiri chigusuka ke
biga chieta kana nayo chieta keni chigari kwaro
nabeko
nyamwa mutyo ndeso banga ikosa
bana beri kenyamwa mekere mwana konyara bakabani kubuli igaro bana tali kenyamwa pakanga tena kahakie burario na some na ya igore tuyu yani na intu hani ndo sabi
ngoikari ngwakuibo yani ngoitugoro yawe andu maya gonsomera igoro ya bantu ngatunte giti
mugakurio munene chindero chichire iga agwa kana
ya ta compromise o minimize o kore bionsi
digo ya kwe iboko no
abago te bintu makonya no bona kya namo te biankonya
bona okonya buna
namnyo
ka okonya buna ngo
nyabeta
zisizo kama zo ukudunia.
Happy Sabbath, happy day omwanju muri gita Kisii and Ndizi television okwarigania ase enchira ya bene imeyo moroberio obwansu bwesabat no moroberio okoretwa ase orekera litukolia Jumamosi gochakira Chinsa Ikomi na ibere chamambia goikera Chinsa inye chamambia imeyo moroberio oyo bwansu bwesabato
abange tugukagera ngani ntu abanyana bo moyo tugukagera nagekora Yesu arwito nga ngomonto yo makare mu mugundu
yes
endagire kama paka akamanya goteba ngabona agachigotaka kubike byega ngabona moyo negoka
Nigo charagire Chinsa Ikomi chabo numaragoba engakingo kumanyamangana maya asenchira yowenge munabire ka wateka ime ya Kenya gose ime ya Gusii nabo igoni go togo chi konyora asenchira yobikirano kachira daga Chinsa chiri cha se moya bona maragoba kurenda aseboni gango kunyamanya asenchira yowenge na nigo togo chikubwatana nere Joshua Auta oyo kunyamanya asenchira yebimanyiriro nabo igo Abigail Nyanchama oyo kwene kinga amario ne chibicha ago ikira senchira engekirano erietariane Dorcas Kemuma Omugavana we County Nyamira Amos Nyaribo ritukoria rero niga abwatuka gose achakia omoroberio o universal health coverage ase getikia huru guidance yo gotoka ase county yu ya Nyamira na igobono Nyaribo atebremna nigarachiko gendra gosira obochenu ase county yu ase keri abwatuka ebintu yo birachiko konya abakoreri bobochenu ase county yu na kokora emirimo yo bochenu na goikera abamenyi be county yu ase obwangomono ase bono abwatuka ebintu eribweyemo to sebifa eribweyemo chimisa to nemerongo tatu gose mirongo tano nebere na kianda gochasa bakori bobo chenu bense meyo nigobo igoba bwatrana amo na abantu gose ababwatana bobo chenu abuba bare ese ekyombekerikia amref egati yabande abubarachi kubwatrana iryo konya gose gokora ense mo yobo chenu akwene kinga amagendo yobo chenu kwene kiwale ase county yo.
The government of Nyamira has not only recognized the invaluable contribution of our 1440 LCH capabilities in health planning and management. Today we launched 1379 Community Health Promoter Kits initiative. Today I stand here to reaffirm that commitment as I launch the Community Health Promoters Kits. We firmly believe in the fundamental premise of primary health care, that every individual, regardless of their location, has the right to achieve the highest attainable level of health. Primary health care is more than just a medical endeavor. It is a whole of society approach to organize and fortify our national health systems. It aims to bring essential health services closer to our communities. Universal health coverage remains a noble goal, and it will only be realized when everyone, everywhere, can access the health services they need. To make this a reality, we must empower our communities to identify their health priorities and actively participate in finding responsive solutions.
Omo County Commissioner we County ya Kisii Charles Kasese Omo County Commander we County ya Kisii Charles Kasese ni gori tukoria rero aeneki okonyorekana kwe bintu byobwebi ebyo byarengamo nechisimi gwetani echimisato echi laptop egati yebinde ase obutukirwa kwaretwe abu igoro obotuko nigo boigo atebrona chisimi echo negati yebintu binde nigo chabete chikonyorekana abu goro botuko korende niga abagoro abasari agose abakagirwa abo bosari babegetwe ebyara gwetani abo bare gwetani Ikomi na bane na nigo bono basiekeire ase chichera imeye county ya Kisii.
The National Police Service conducted a sting operation within Kisii town, whereby we have been receiving numerous complaints from members of public that their phones, their gadgets, laptops have been stolen. So, in the process of our operation within some business premises in the town, we managed to recover some electronic gadgets, to which 351 mobile phones, assorted mobile phones, 20 laptops, 13 assorted tablets, 21 assorted hard drives, and we also managed to arrest 14 suspects who we believe that they are connected with this offense. So the suspects are in custody to be charged with offenses of computer misuse and cyber crimes of 2018, and also stealing.
Omorandi apita morwabe nigo bono abaganirie abantu bonsi kurwase chikanisa chonsi abarandia amona abaibori go basabira aborokiwa ase chinga kechi bagendrete kweyarigani ase amate mwamanene ayoba gochiko ikaransera egeke kyabangoiga nigo boigo agikeire okuya wechi skuru okugendrete kwenekiwa ase chingongo chonsi imeyense anene ase eskuru agekujia abwangoiga nigo bono atere aborokiwa ababwenerete kubikwa omoyo chinga kechi bagochigwe ikaransira amate mwabo nabo igo niga abasabira aborokiwa bonsi bobwe kwerusana ni akorwase ebikore byobosaria ase chisukuru ase keriba atebiremna nigo kegosaria amagacho nabo igo kokora gose nabo igo kokora chingaki ase keringani go abaibori bakonyoro mochando monene bogwakanira chibesa chebintu biri byabeire ebigosariwa ase chiskuru.
Nafikiri miaka ya nyuma tumekuwa tukiona mambo kama haya wakati mtihani imekaribia. Ningependa kuomba wanafunzi wote Kenya mzima, tafadhali, shule ni mali yenu, ni mali ya ndugu zenu, na wako wengine wanakuja baada yenu ambao wangependa kusoma kama ninyi. Tafadhali tusifanye uofu wowote, tusubirie mitihani. Sisi kama kanisa tunawaombea sana kwa juhudi kwamba Mungu awape neema na awasaidie kufaulu katika mitihani yenu. Tafadhali, labda kama ni umma ama community ambayo inachochea mambo fulani au walimu, tungewaomba sana mukome kutoka kwa hilo kabisa, na tuhakikishe kwamba shule hizi zetu tumechenga kwa pesa zetu na ni ushuru ambao unatumika kuchenga. Tafadhali, hatungependa kuchenga tena, na wala hatungependa mikasa hii ikainterfere na maisha ya watoto wetu. Tunaombea shule zote kwamba mambo haya yakome, na hata yale magonjwa mengine yanaendelea kama yale yaliyokuwepo ama buko siku ya jana. Mikosi kama hiyo wakati tumekaribia mitihani, tungeomba sana kama kanisa ikome, na ili Yesu aweze kutawala kwenye shule zetu zote. Na ningewaomba wachungaji wote kila mahali, wakiwemo mabadili na wengine, tuombee shule zetu, tuombee wanafunzi wetu. Tunajua kwamba Mungu atasimamisha hawa na wote watafanya mitihani na watafaulu.
Kaunti ya Kisii negatiye kaunti chinde echuchabeire chikwearegania edigochengera rituko rya mashujaa ase ankyo nigobono kaunti ya Kisii yareganiribo keranu ase omoyegoyo orachigokoreka ase geti geiterio ekikegotoka bonchari ensemo ya suneka imeye kaunti ya Kisii nigobono abamenyebe kaunti ya Kisii baborigwe goikirania ase egeti ekyo erigo sangamo nabo igogochengera ritukerio ase ritukeria mashujaa abo ankyo. Omurai wense Dr. William Ruto nigabekire essay yemeswada ene eyobochenu emaragoba yabono eyibono yegochi gose yabeire richiko ayamaiga yebunge gwetya emeswade yo ase ebunge nabono igabekise eyibone egochiko ba richiko nigobo igo emeswade yo egokwanira igoro yobochenu anene egati yaria abika nigo atebamuna gose ase gati yemeswade yo neringaki obochenu bogochikoba ensense meri ya digital gose okorwegwa ko digital health ni abeka ese ase obokoreri obwabantu bonsi asensemo yobochenu egati ya ase meswada ende oigo ni goruto akore mosemo yegoyo ni gokoreka ase amagacho ya serikali ya State House ime yomochi o Nairobi nabo igo abarayi bekirana ase moyegoyo ngamo no bomorai wense rigadi gashagwa omowaziri bwobochenu Susan na Kumincha emo senator we county ya Kakamega Boni Halware egati ya barayi bande. Seneta we county ya Kakamega Boni Arwari nigo amwakire koko omurai wense Dr. William Ruto asoko gendra gosira ensemo yobachenu aya nigachire maiga yomurai wense kobeka sei aseme swadene eyo kobari chiko ase emaragoba yabono chinga kibaringe asomo yegoyo oringa asamagocha ya serikali a State House Rwale nigo boigate birumna ekene gento kirachi komotigera erieta rigia na boigo niga bakenya barachi kumwinyora ase engencho niga beteka gosira abochenu oborachi gokonya abantu bonsi asensemo ya afya.
Mr. President, sir, members of the Senate debated late into the night because they wanted to make this enterprise even better. Your Excellency, as a professional of medicine, I want to confirm that you are truly going to be remembered in this country for what you have done, because it is lack of primary health attention to the concerns of patients that eventually leads to the loss of unnecessary lives. Mr. President, the innovation of the digital health bill is going to save millions upon millions of Kenyans, because many mothers, some of them, have no idea what the doctor said 6 months ago when the child presented to them. And when they have to restart the story, they lose out on very important information. But with the digital innovation, this will no longer be necessary. And remembering that some of our mothers do not have the standard of education required. And Mr. President, remember
Omuwaziri w'ekigosori Ababu na Mwamba niho litukoria rero abwatukire egeti y'ekigosori ikyakiri cyo green agoche ase amaboko ya serikali ye county eyo aya maiga yegeti ekyo koruborwa na korosi wabuya maiga yo gotigwa na gotiganwa ase serikali eyo ase kyabeire getari ase nchirendonge nonya naboroki wa batari konyora lichinga kichingiya chinga kiba ko getumeka nigo boigo atebre buna nige serikali ya Kenya Kwanza yabeire kagosira chi bitie bingi gusachi gosori egento kere kiyamono ase wizare yo oba wetogeria nigo boigo ateromna litukoria nkyo nigo barachi gotwara enkoyo eyo egochigo cheswa ase geti ekyo maiga eyo moyega omashujade gokoreka ase egeti ekyo.
Let me also applaud the national government. The administration led by His Excellency William Ruto is very unique in very many ways. And one of the things that makes this administration very unique is coherence in the way we execute government business and service delivery to the people of Kenya. And so today, we are delighted to gather here in this beautiful town of Kericho to receive the refurbished Kericho Green Stadium. We have actually turned a dilapidated, forgotten, ignored ground into a stadium that fits the name stadium. Now
Miya bano mwancho murire bwita sene kya Ndizi TV asoko gendera ko banaintwe ayonoro mwerio obwamangana amaya asenchera ayo bwenge korinde no nyanyora yo amona mange ekererarage ense moya bono maragoba asenchera ayo bwikirano edetariane Dorcas Kemuma nani gotwaringenere Joshua Auta oyo kunyamanya asenchera ayebimanyerero amona Abigail Nyanchama ni gaina kinga kwanyorire echibicha mona mariogi chawe ikere asenchera ayo bwikirano twara oburigerero obuya ime ya Ndizi TV nabo bwansu obwo mu Gusii.
Ndizi TV, ubwansu bw'omu Gusii.